The purpose of this video is to help you calculate the number of atoms in the aluminum. So first we're going to figure out the number of atoms in your initial mass of aluminum. So say for instance that your initial mass of aluminum was 2 grams. This is going to be different from everybody. This is the measurement that you took at the beginning of the lab. You're going to plug that 2 grams into this equation here. So 2 grams was the initial mass, and then you're going to plug it in here. I know that you don't know what this equation means just yet, but eventually you will. For now, just plug and chug into the equation. Okay. Now, just like when you're multiplying fractions, you are multiplying fractions, you're going to multiply across. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 6.022 is going to be 12.044. And we're just going to tack this on the end. I got this 12.044 by just multiplying 2 times 1 times 6.022. Then we take our bottoms. 26.982 times 1 is going to be 26.982. You could ignore this for a minute and just divide this. Pop that into your calculator, and you're going to get 0.446. Now, since you don't have an exponent here, you can just bring this on down, times 10 to the 23rd. For your units, grams will cancel, moles will cancel, and you're going to be left with atoms. And that's what you were looking for all along. And that's how you find the mass of the initial piece of aluminum. Now, there's an additional calculation to find the mass of that teeny bit of aluminum at the end. What you need to do is you have to take your initial mass, which was 2 grams. Well, it's going to be different for everybody. I'm saying 2 grams. And divide it by 2 raised to the number of cuts. And I'm going to say I made 14 cuts. I recommend doing 2 raised to the power to start. And I got 16,384 for this. Keep in mind, it's the number of cuts for your group. Every group has a different number of cuts. So I'm just going to bring this over, 2 grams. So I divide this and I get 0.000122207. So that's the final mass, and then you have to take this and plug this into equation once again, and that's going to give you the number of atoms in the final piece.